Where are we? The night market?
Okay.
Phnom Penh Night Market now.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
It's all about mama these days.
We gotta keep moving.
Ryan. Let's go.
What a great marker. What a great marker.
So is this every night?
Yes.
I do this every night.
But it's the music band is not every day.
Okay.
Just sometime on the Friday to Sunday.
Okay.
And especially every local public holidays.
Okay.
And big celebrating in here on Water Festival in November. Okay, maybe we go do barbecue now.
It's not all perfect. Kids have their meltdowns and everything too, so it's the reality of traveling.
Let's go eat some chicken and then if we can come down.
Alright, we're at the Phnom Penh Night Market. Welcome back to the channel. This is Matt with the Traveling Texans. Let me know where you're watching from. Drop it down in the comments below real quick. Let me know where you're watching from. City, state, country. Check this out. We're sitting on the ground.
Let's watch her.
We're with our tour guide mom, and we are going to make some barbecue and soup. Just right here on the ground in front of us, in these rugs.
People, they've been Koreans. Thailand is similar to that, but this is different of the barbecue bit because here we are making a soup. You know, this is soup we can make from different Thai chicken or beef soup. Okay. And also this one make with about beef soup. And in the top here like barbecue. We have soup, make some vegetable, noodle, and some seafood, pork, beef. Yeah, we don't have chicken. Normally we use like beef, pork, and seafood.
Okay.
Yeah, for grilling in the top here. And you can enjoy with soup. And we have a sauce here. Yeah, we have the sauce eating with that barbecue as well. Yes, we put add the soup on.
Okay.
And we add fish sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, spicy one. Yeah. Kangkong with chili sauce. And this is we make like tofu sauce. Tofu. Tofu we add with lamb with sugar like over here. Yes. So we have two options. If you don't want a spicy, you can try the tofu. Yes.
That one's not too spicy.
Yeah, not the spicy one. Strawberry ice
Heidi
cream.
getting some ice cream.
Yeah. If you don't want Chinese noodle, it's okay. There's a baby corn. Okay.
We'll try some of the vegetables.
Yes. try with that sauce, and then you can try with kokong
Okay.
sauce. There. You can try with chili one, yes. You like it?
Very good. That sauce is so good.
Yes. You know, Cambodia, we put the whole thing of the prawns.
Okay.
We don't peel like I know in
Yeah,
Europe.
we peel.
Yeah, in European they are because this is they can show you how fresh of the prawn.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Baby corns.
Baby corn.
Morning glory. Yeah, pak choy and mushroom here.
Ooh, yeah.
This is originally the mushroom from Japan.
So I've tried the meat. I want the soup. Ooh.
Pak choy with morning glory. Baby corn. That's it. Tofu sauce. Very good. Tofu.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yeah, the broth is very good. It's so flavorful.
Oh, that's the broth that they put in the picture.
Oh, you call that broth? Soup, but I call it soup and add mushroom.
Yeah, that's very good.
And you can try
So
mushroom.
good.
Yeah, the soup is very good.
Everything.
Octopus is very tender.
Add like
The mushrooms?
and a little bit pasta. Cut down like a piece of it. Okay. Liquid for next now. Yeah. Okay.
This is just too cool. I don't know, we're kind of blessed with our life. I mean, we're sitting in a night market in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, making soup and barbecue on the ground. With our new friend Mom, with our kids. And we've been traveling for like 6 months now. Yeah, I don't know. This is pretty awesome.
Wait, give Heidi one. Give Heidi one.
Yeah, I add with some.
So for this set, for the meat, the eggs, the vegetables, the soup, and everything, which would probably easily feed 4 or 5 people, $15. $15 US. One thing that's kind of cool about Cambodia is they have the Khmer Rio is their local currency, but they also have US dollars. One ATM that I went to only dispensed US dollars. The other, you had a choice of which one you wanted. So yeah, they'll take US dollars and the Rio here. You can use a combination, like even I've gotten change back somewhere and they gave me US dollars and Rio. This has been pretty cool. Barbecue. One of my favorites though is the soup. It's savory and it's sweet. So good. Okay, we are stuffed after food tour we did earlier, and now the barbecue here at the Phnom Penh Night Market. I'm done. I can't eat anymore. Hey, we appreciate y'all following along, and make sure you go like and subscribe. Yeah, it's been fun. We really enjoy making the videos, and you know, we do it a lot to document for us, but to share with other people too. See what it's like in other cultures, how you eat, how you live, and I don't know. So we appreciate everybody watching and following along, and we'll see you on the next video.